This video will show you how to enter a drill log. Please, before doing so, make sure you have checked that all of the settings are to your preference. You can learn more about the settings in the Data Settings tutorial. To enter a drill log, click Create New Data Entry. Select Drill Log and enter a name for the data entry. Click Create and the entry will appear on your data screen. The green circle on the left shows you the type of entry, which is practical once you start entering multiple types of data. Click the entry to finalize its settings. On this page, you can insert the location of the drilling job, either automatically or manually. Also fill in the name of the person entering the data. Once you are done, click Save and you are directed to the page where you enter the actual drill log. You can always come back to the settings you've just entered, for example to add extra information by clicking Settings. Now you can start entering your drill log or access the tutorial for this section via the 3 dots on this page.